After visiting Palenque last week, we just had to tell someone about these amazing Mayan ruins in the jungle of the Mexican state of Chiapas. It's a bit off the beaten path, but totally worth a stop, especially if you're already traveling between Chiapas and Campeche or Yucatan. We want to share 5 favorite stops within the ruins. These are all the things that you just have to see.
If arriving at the main entrance, Temple 13 is the first major building you'll see. Our favorite part is that you can climb up it and go inside to find the tomb of the Red Queen, or at least where she used to be. She was given this name due to the red cinnabar found in her tomb. Right next door is the Temple of Inscriptions, the largest temple on site.
The palace is simply amazing. You can explore this building for ages. At first, it looks like it just disappears into a hillside, but once you climb up to the top, you'll find there are all sorts of passages and rooms to discover. Due to many sections surviving well over time, you can still find spots where the roof kept weather away from engravings and even paintings on the walls.
The Temple of the Cross has to be the highest point at Palenque, and therefore provides some of the best views of the main structures. It's definitely worth a trek over to the building and then to the top of the temple. Find a shady spot at the top overlooking the palace to take a break and snap some awesome photos.
After you've seen everything else you desire, head down the walking path towards the exit and museum. This path does involve stairs, but it's pretty easy since you're going downhill. Not only will you see some of the residential buildings from ancient Palenque, but you'll also wind along the same path as a small river and ultimately find a beautiful waterfall. This is definitely the best way out of the park.
Finally, don't miss the museum. Palenque is the only ruin we've been to so far with its own museum, and it's quite well done. If you haven't been to any other Mayan ruins, you might want to start here and go in reverse.
Palenque was absolutely enchanting, and there was so much to explore. We hope you enjoy your trip here, and we can't wait to hear more about it.
Hit the subscribe button to see more travel videos from us, or visit us on Patreon to learn more about our community. As always,
I'm Kayla.
And I'm Silas, wishing you luck with your upcoming adventures.